Welcome back, all you K-food lovers. Today I'm sharing 3 unusual dishes I tried for the first time, but I'm eager to try again. Let's jump right in with our first dish, Daejang. Dae means crab and Jang means condiments in Korean cuisine. What made it seem unusual to me? I never tried raw crabs before, not even in Sri Lanka where seafood reigns supreme. These raw crabs are marinated and burst with new and amazingly delicious flavors. The red color, it's often thanks to Korean chili flakes known as gochujang. The first bite was a challenge, but I'd never hesitate to try them again. Daejang. Pork intestines and pork skin are entirely new to me as separate dishes. They serve it in a way that you wouldn't even recognize it as an intestine. The taste, somewhat like cuttlefish but more chewy. And as for the skin, Koreans adore it for its collagen. And number 3 goes to oritogi. Duck meat is a protein-packed meal providing 50% of our daily iron needs. The taste is exceptional when grilled. They served us smoked and fresh, grilling it right on your table, hibachi style. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you soon for more food adventures.